Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the portable battery pack that has wireless charging. Alright, let's begin. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, that nice crunch. Goodbye. So you can see it's kind of thick, but it can charge my phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy S10. It can charge my phone about 9.5 times. So on one charge. So pretty good. Alright, so here's the charger it comes with. It comes with a micro USB. Here's the manual. Who cares about that? And that's it. Alright. So I'm guessing. Okay, so there's a power button here. It's at 19% apparently. But let's try the wireless charging. Here's my phone. Let's see if it will wirelessly charge. Fast wireless charging. Wow. I'm impressed. As you can see here, it says fast wireless charging. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then, if you give me 1 second, I'm going to get my cable and see if that's fast. Alright, here's my cable. For the record, this does support fast wireless charging. So it's supposed to be fast. So we're going to find that out right now. And let's see. Ready for the moment of truth? Fast charging. Yes. Now this charges via USB-C, which is this. This is USB-C. And it says it takes 3.5 hours to fully charge. Alright, thank you for watching. Come back for another episode. Bye. Peace. Alright, what's up guys? I want to show you also that it can charge big huge case. See, look, you got this big giant case, as you can see here. Look at this big old case. You see that? Alright. So let me just turn this on real quick. And give it a second. Fast wireless charging on a big giant case. Yep. Link in the description if you want to buy one.